Today we're going to be showing you how to extend any song so it matches the length of your video. As you can see here, this video is just a certain length. It's about 2 minutes and 43 seconds, but my song is only 2 minutes and about 12 seconds. So the way around that, what we're going to do is I'm going to right click, enable remix. This should analyze your song up here. It should be like a little bar. If that comes up, that's okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to extend it. So we said that the video is 2 minutes 43 seconds. So what I'm going to do is click on the song. I'm going to come up to this blue number here, the time. I'm going to push it up to 2:43. Now it's not perfect, as you can see there. It gets pretty, it ends there. So what we want to do is we want to get it a bit further. Boom, I think that's a good ending. So now if I were to listen back, it's a pretty good ending. So we'll leave it at that. Bonus tip, if you're ever doing this and you want to fade it out and the song doesn't fade out properly, a big help is when you right click and hit apply default transition. This is gonna fade your music out, and you can extend this so it just fades it a bit nicer. So yeah, that's how to extend any of your clips.